Welcome to this introduction to the AlertFind Customer Success Hub video. Inside the Hub, you can find all the resources you will need to learn how to use AlertFind and all of its features. Let me take you through the site. The Customer Success Hub is a one-page portal where you can find all the training resources that are available to you and your admins. The portal has 4 different types of training resources that have been created to provide all of the information that a system admin will need to be able to use AlertFind to its full capacity. The first type of resource is 3 recorded training session videos. Each video focuses on different modules of the AlertFind user interface. The second resource is content guides and PDF documents that can be used to learn how to master the AlertFind user interface. You can use these as reference material, or if you prefer, to learn through text tutorials. The third resource is short explainer videos called nuggets. Each nugget is a 2 to 3 minute video that will explain how to perform a specific action within the user interface. For example, how to create a notification template. And the fourth and last resource is the daily customer webinars that you can register for. These webinars are hosted by one of our AlertFind trainers, and there you will be able to get answers to any question or concern that you might have regarding the AlertFind user interface. Now let's take a look at the Hub and the different sections found within it. On the top section of the Hub, you will find 2 buttons, one called Help Articles and the second one called Training Videos. These buttons are hyperlinks that will allow you to navigate quickly through the Hub. If you scroll down the page, you will also be able to find those specific sections. When you click on the hyperlink Help Articles, you will be taken to a section that has all of our content guides. Do remember that content guides are text tutorials that you can use to learn how to use AlertFind. As we scroll down the page, we will find the AlertFind Journey to Success, or onboarding timeline, that has been designed for you to understand every step in the onboarding process. The explanation of what each step entails and who will perform each one can be found on the video called Onboarding Introduction. Scrolling further down the page, we find the section that contains all of our recorded training videos, as well as a list of all of our nuggets that have been created for you. The first 3 videos we can see are training session number 1, training session number 2, and training session number 3. These are long videos that will train you on mastering the 8 modules of the user interface that every admin will need to learn to be able to use AlertFind. The next section that we come to is the daily customer webinars. On this section, found here, you will find the information you need to register for one of our Introduction to the AlertFind Customer Hub or Masterclass webinars. As you can see, we have 2 live webinars to select from. The different times and dates that these are available is displayed, and you can choose to register for any of the available webinars if needed. The Introduction to the AlertFind Customer Hub webinar will cover all of the basics of how to use the AlertFind Customer Hub, and it also explains in detail our onboarding process timeline. The Masterclass webinars will provide you with the opportunity to ask any question to a live trainer. When you register for a webinar on the registration form, you will have a space to ask the specific question that you have and would like the trainer to answer. Please feel free to register for these webinars by choosing the correct date found on the drop-down menu and then clicking on the register button found on each specific webinar. You will be required to fill out a short registration form. Once your registration form is approved, you will receive an email with the details on how to access the webinar. This concludes this video. Do remember that the AlertFind Customer Success Hub has been created to provide you with different types of training resources. If you have any suggestions or comments on the content of the Hub, or if you need further assistance, please contact your dedicated customer success manager who will be happy to help. Have a great day.